You know, we spend our entire lives on this giant rock that's just rocketing through the absolute emptiness of space. But have you ever just stopped and thought about what's keeping our feet on the ground? It's a wild thought, right? So let's dive into this huge cosmic question.
I mean, really think about it for a second. Our planet is spinning right now. And it's not just some lazy, slow rotation. Nope, it is moving at a truly incredible speed.
Get this, 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's roughly how fast you're moving this very second, especially if you're near the equator, where the Earth is at its widest. It's just a mind-bending number to even try to wrap your head around.
To put that in perspective, that's way faster than a commercial jetliner at cruising altitude. So the big question is, why aren't we all getting blown away? Why isn't there this constant hurricane-force wind just whipping everything off the surface?
Well, to get to the bottom of that, first we gotta understand the journey we're all on, this super speed trip around the sun. And it all starts with the Earth's rotation.
The thing that's so wild is just how incredibly steady this whole thing is. The Earth does one complete spin every 24 hours. That's what gives us day and night, obviously. And since it's spinning in the almost perfect vacuum of space, there's basically no friction, nothing to slow it down. It's been doing this for billions of years, kind of like a cosmic top that just never stops.
And that brings us right back to our own experience, right? If we're really moving that fast, why does everything around us feel so perfectly still?
The answer is actually pretty simple. We don't feel it because everything is moving right along with us. The air, the oceans, the buildings, you, me. It's a lot like being in a car cruising down a perfectly smooth highway. As long as the speed is constant, you don't really feel the motion. You only notice when the car speeds up or hits the brakes.
Okay, but knowing we're on a smooth ride is really only half the story. That explains why we don't feel the spin, sure, but it doesn't explain what's keeping us attached to this ride in the first place.
See, the spin of the Earth is constantly trying to throw us outward, away from the center. It's a real physical force pushing on us. So what's the powerful, mysterious counterforce that's keeping everything from tiny pebbles to giant mountains glued to the surface?
The answer, my friends, is the hero of our story. It's an invisible, silent, but unbelievably powerful force that basically runs the entire cosmos. The answer is gravity.
At its core, gravity is just this fundamental force of attraction between any two things that have mass. And in our case, the enormous mass of planet Earth creates a super powerful gravitational pull, constantly pulling you and me and literally everything else straight toward its center. So this sets up a constant cosmic tug-of-war. You've got the Earth's spin trying to fling you off into space, and at the same time, you've got gravity trying to pull you in. So, who wins? And this lays it out perfectly. The outward push from the spin, it's real, but it is so weak compared to the relentless, crushing inward pull of gravity. I mean, gravity is just overwhelmingly stronger. It doesn't just win this tug-of-war, it completely dominates it. It's not even a fair fight. So here's the bottom line. We stay on the ground because the gravitational anchor holding us down is way, way more powerful than the rotational force trying to throw us off. It's that simple, and at the same time, it's that profound.
So, the next time you're just standing still, maybe waiting for a coffee, just remember this. You are on an epic cosmic ride, moving at impossible speeds, held securely in your seat by the invisible, inescapable force of gravity. Pretty cool, huh?
It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? Gravity is just one of these fundamental forces we can't see, but we absolutely can't live without. What other invisible forces are at play right now, shaping your world in ways you've maybe never even thought about before?